So here I am inspecting the plant, and I notice that one picture that is developing behind this plant here may be blocked. So in planning for this new picture's development into this space, I will keep a lookout for this older picture here and remove it in time. Let me remove this tag. So looking at everything, okay, there's another picture. I am inspecting for fungus, new picture development, old picture arrangements, and whether or not they will interfere with each other's growth. Okay. So once I am done with the inspection, I will fertilize the plant with a quarter strength C-Max and seaweed extract that you see me pulling from the flask off to the side here. And I will administer a few drops to the pitchers, not filling it much. To each one. I'm just squirting a little bit because, as you have experienced, or for those new to the hobby of growing cephalotus, if you overfeed the pitchers will die. So after this process of feeding, I'm going to add plain water to the pitchers to fill to the brim, or under the collar, to further dilute what I have just fed it, to doubly ensure that the concentration is low enough where the pitcher will not accidentally experience overfeeding and die. And there you go. This is B14, and this pitcher and these are their permanent homes because they are grown using a net pot with nylon rope hanging from the bottom, like a wicking method, similar to how you would grow African violets. And in a later video, I will show how the nylon ropes are prepared and the net pots are prepared. And once all the roots from the plant goes through the net potting, the netting of the pot, and into the water, it will be a permanent home, because it will be inadvisable to try to transplant these plants. And in future videos, I will show you how the roots have developed and entangled themselves into the nylon ropes, making it impossible to transplant without severely setting back the plants. Thank you for watching, and following me for more. Have a good day.